In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a border around your crochet work. So we generally start off with a chain, so I'm just going to show you that chain, and the chain will generally be in the corners. And then turn your work, and you're going to work anti-clockwise around your crochet piece. So I'm going to go down and then across, and for my pattern, create a border all the way around the outsides, just to really finish this piece off and make it look really, really neat. So in my crochet pattern that I'm working on, you're going to need to do front loop only for certain sides, and that's just because of the way the pattern is formatted. So I'm doing front loop only here, and I'm going to do a slip stitch. So I've put my hook through, and I'll just show you that again. Put my hook through the front loop only, and then grab hold of the yarn, and then just pull that through the first loop. My yarn's a bit slippy here. So that is how you do a border around your work.